Hey guys, it's your boy, Steve from A Reptile I Am. Wanted to throw something together here. I'm going to be going through some of our last few clutches. They're still in the incubator. Some of them are still shedding, but I do like to go ahead and rotate the tub they're in for fresh water and substrate, all of that stuff. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So for this clutch here, this was my boy Oracle to my female Hysteria. Now, he is in shed, but this is Dad, and he is a normally a super bright Pastave double Het Monarch clown. So he's a pretty powerful little animal here. All right, so this is my girl Hysteria. This is Mom. So I got her from Troy Schroeder, and she came as a super pastel GHI Het Monarch girl. Now, I'm not 100% sure if she is super pastel, and I'll show you why with the clutch that I got. All right, so this was a lot smaller clutch as well. We only got 4 eggs in this clutch, and unfortunately, one of them didn't make it, as in the egg went bad. So I will reach in and pull out the first one here. They are all in sheds still. Carries really, really pretty orange coloration on its sides. I'm not totally sure that this one is a pastel, though. Let me know what you guys think. Now, it is in shed, and I will just leave it at that. But he's got kind of a cool little monster man on the back of his head. Little chomper guy. So yeah, this clutch was me trying to expand out in the Monarch stuff into the clowns. Then we got this one here, which I do believe ended up hitting pastel. So like, you can clearly tell the differentiation in the color between them. And then I hit on this one. Now, this next one, this one's really, really interesting to me. So, this one here, come on out, baby. This one did hit pastel, obviously. You can tell by the head. But this also hit with the GHI Mojave. Now, the thing that's so interesting to me is those sides and the coloration. It's like a light orangish color, and you can absolutely tell like pattern. So I have no idea. I've got more research I need to do on this. Even from the top, it's so cool looking. So yeah, the beginning of a new project, guys, and I'm excited to see what happens with the Monarch clown stuff.